Are you currently running on Microsoft Dynamics GP or Great Plains? Well, you know about the upcoming end of life of support, so you're probably wondering what your best option is for moving off of Great Plains and moving on to a cloud-based solution that's future-proof. Well, Dynamics 365 Business Central is that solution, but what does that upgrade path look like for you? Well, luckily, Microsoft has come out with a tool that helps support users moving from Great Plains to Business Central, and it's their upgrade tool that's built into the Business Central product. But what exactly does it do? So the Great Plains upgrade tool allows you to connect to your on-prem Great Plains instance and migrate all of the historical data, including customers, vendors, chart of accounts, dimensions, but also historical ledger balance information too. So transactions are coming along as well. The tool supports Great Plains versions 2015 and later, but there are some instances where we can work with you as your partner to hook up if you have an older system that's even earlier than 2015. But before you jump into it, make sure to reach out to a partner to help you do some of that configuration and start planning out that upgrade path like us. We're happy to work with you on it.